Hello friends, welcome to the accounting school. Today we are going to see how the set off and carry forward of losses in different types of heads work, and which can be set off and which cannot be set off, and what is the time limit within which the same can be set off. So let us start with our video. In general, there are losses from house property, capital gains and business loss. Let us see how each of the loss is getting carried forward and adjusted. The loss from house property which is self-occupied is not allowed if the regime selected is new regime, but let out property loss is allowed in that case. Then the short-term losses can be set off against the short-term and long-term gains and can be carried forward for 8 assessment years. But for long-term, it can be set off only against the long-term gains and carried forward for 8 assessment years. The business losses has to be first set off against the income from same business, otherwise any other business, and if not, then it can be set off against any other income, and then only it can be carried forward for around 8 assessment years. The Finance Act 2025 is putting the limit of 8 assessment years for any losses incurring from the mergers and acquisition, and the time limit which was infinite for them has been now capped. It would be also pertinent to note that the losses can be carried forward only if the return is filed within the due date, otherwise not. So friends, just to sum up, house property loss and other sources loss are the only losses which can get set off against any income. But for other losses, there are particular restrictions. I'm also giving the table in the bio. Please go through that. And for any queries, please get back to us on the email ID mentioned. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.